Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do system diagnostics on HP EliteBook, which is in front of me. To do system diagnostics, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. Once that's done, just make sure you're in the main tab and go to system diagnostics, then click on enter. And now you can do a memory test or hard drive check. I'm gonna do a memory test. And it's starting it. Now it's in the process. It says that the estimated time remaining is 23 minutes. So if you want to cancel it, just click on escape on the keyboard. Then I'm gonna exit it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.